Hey guys, welcome to today's Vehicle Visionary tutorial. This is going to be using the Mercedes-Benz MBUX system, and I'm going to show you how to change the ambient lighting here on the interior. And as long as your Mercedes vehicle has the MBUX system, this will work for you. Let me go back a little bit here so we can start from the front. And so here on your screen, of course, you can use the touch screen if you want to. You can also use the trackpad there if you'd like to do that. I'm going to just use the touch screen. So you're going to go to settings and then of course to light. And it's already here, of course. If it's not, you can kind of see how to get there. A couple of things to note here. Brightness. Depending on what you want, you may or may not want your lights to be as bright depending on what your situation is. And so we'll go back. Now we'll go over here to color. Let's see if I can get that to work. You can use welcome if you want to, but I'm going to show you how to easily change the colors. You can use preset colors here. There are several if you want to. As you can see, when I change that or push on one of those options, it's going to change, and I hope you can see that well enough on the screen because I do have the lights turned on here. But if you just want to change it manually, go to multicolor right here, and you've got 64 different colors to choose from. And as you can see, when I move this around, it selects a different color. Of course, some of the colors show up a little bit better than others when we have the lights on, as we do here in the Mercedes-Benz of Shreveport photo booth. But ultimately, that is how you change the ambient lighting on any Mercedes-Benz vehicle with the MBUX system. If you enjoyed this video today, guys, please be sure to subscribe for more, and I appreciate your time. I'll see you next time.